What's up YouTubers, Jonny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to check your car's tire pressure and also inflate it to the correct PSI. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor, click the subscribe and the bell so you can get all my new videos. Alright, let's get to it. So correct tire pressure is very important. You don't want it too low or your tires will wear out too fast, and you don't want it too high or your car will ride really rough and you'll also have uneven tire wear. So setting it correctly is very important, guys. Alright, so we're going to want to check the tire pressure when the tires are cold. So before you've driven the car for the day, the best time is in the morning, and if the tires haven't been setting in the sun, because that'll raise the pressure. We don't want that. We're going to get an inaccurate reading. We want cold tire pressure. Alright, so the first thing we'll do is we'll go ahead and unscrew the little dust cap on our valve stem. Then I've got this pen style gauge. This is the standard gauge you can pick up anywhere for a couple bucks. And how this works is we'll just put this end right here. You just push it on the end of the valve stem real quick, and it shoots out right here, and look, it's right at 30 on this. I've also got one of these digital gauges. I like these. You just power it on, and then all you have to do is press it on, and look at that, 30 psi just like the other one. So they're both accurate. I'll put some links down in the description to these tools as well as an air compressor, a portable one. But now I know you're thinking, 30 psi, Johnny, is that the right pressure? So if you check your sidewall of your tire, there's going to be a pressure rating, but you don't want that. That's the max tire pressure for the tire. We're going to want to come over to the driver's side door and go ahead and open that up, and there'll be a sticker right here on the side, and it's going to tell you the pressure. Right here, look at this. It says 30 psi for the front and rear, and this is cold psi, like I told you guys in the beginning. So our tire pressure is good right at 30, but say you don't have the manual or the sticker on the driver's side door, what you're going to want to set it at is it's always safe to do it between 32 and 34 psi. That's always going to be good numbers on any car. Alright, so say your tire's low, just pick up one of these portable air compressors, plug it into your cigarette lighter, we'll screw on the end to the valve stem, and then we'll just pump it up a little. Then we'll check it with our gauge. And look at that, 33 psi. That's fine. That's what I've got the other ones at. So say you want to let a little air out. Maybe you had them overinflated. You didn't know. You can take your pen style one, and on the back there's this little thing, and you just press it on the valve stem and it'll let air out. Or you can take your fingernail and even do it with your fingernail. So let's bring it back down to 32. Flip it around. And now we're right at around 31, 32. Perfect. Alright guys, and it's as easy as that to check and inflate your tire pressure to the correct pressure. Alright guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up for me. If you're new, click the subscribe so you can get all my new videos and the bell. Alright guys, thanks for watching Jonny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.